Now let us apply the steps learnt in the previous video used to round off these numbers to the nearest thousands. Solution. So let's answer A. The number we are rounding off is 6,203. Now, when you are rounding off a number, we use a symbol called the approximate symbol. It's written like this, just like your regular equal sign, but with a wavy sign here. So now, once we've done that, we then try to round this off to the nearest thousand. The first thing we do is to identify the digits in the rounding off place. Now, we are rounding off to the nearest thousand, so we look at the digits in the thousand place value. Now, this is unit, tens, 100, and 1,000. So we know that the digit in the rounding place is 6. Now, after that, we then identify the digit next to it, that is to the right of the rounding place, and that digit is 2. Then we apply the rule. Remember that if the next digit is between 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, we round down. But when it is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, we round up. So in this case, we have a 2, which means we have to round down. And by rounding down, it means we are just going to keep the digits in that place value, which is 6. We do not add anything to it. But every other digit that follows will be rounded down to 0. So the next digit will then be 0, then 0, then 0. So that is 6,203 is approximately 6,000. Always add the place that you have put it to. So to the nearest thousand. Now, B. We are to round off 10,815. So we put our approximation symbol and then we round it off. So let's identify the digits in the rounding off place. Of course, we have unit, tens, 100, and 1,000. So the digit in the rounding off place is 0. Now, we identify the digit next to it, which is 8. And 8 is a number that we round up when we are rounding off a certain number. Remember, those that you round off are 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Good. So in this case, we round off. That means round up, which implies that we'll add 1 to the rounding off place. That is, we increase the rounding off place by 1. So we keep every other number before that. So we have 1. Now, instead of writing 0, when we round up, we increase that by 1. So when you add 1 to this, that is plus 1, it becomes 1. So now we have 11. Now, every other digit then becomes 0. So instead of 8, I will have 0. Then instead of 1, this will be 0. Instead of 5, this will be 0. And this is also to the nearest thousand. Now, try to do C by yourself. You can pause the video and then try it, then compare to what I get at the end of this video. So for 176,220, when you round this up, the digit in the rounding place is 6. And next to it, we have a 2, which implies we round down. So in this case, we would have 176, because we do not add anything to this. And then every other digit becomes 0. So 0, 0, 0 to the nearest thousand. And that's the solution to this problem. Thank you.